Guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I make this crochet dreadlock hair by using African thread instead of rubber band. Yes, I decided to try something new because whenever I use rubber band when it comes to crochet, it's always loosening up, and the hair doesn't last for a long time. So you guys know African threads can really last in your hair and also make your hair and also help your hair to grow, and it doesn't break your hair as a rubber band. So I decided to just use the African threads this time instead of rubber band, and it works really good. And I was like, okay, let me just share with you guys how I made this. And yeah, and I'm also gonna be using this crochet dreadlocks from AliExpress. I ordered it from AliExpress, and this dreadlocks is very good. I like it, and the way they made it really good. Okay, and I bought it from a company called Bella. I will be dropping the link in the description box if anyone is interested to go and check it out. Feel free to check it out. Okay. So what I did here, I just tried to part my hair in the middle there, and I tried to cut it in these little sections the way I'm doing it here, and I just use my African thread to thread my hair. This hair have been now and in my head for like 3 weeks, and the thread is still very good. They haven't loosened up like when you use a rubber band, and it's still there, and it stays longer, and it's really good. I like it. So if you're new here, my name is Natia. I'm a mom of 2. In this channel, it's all about workout, fashion, eating, lifestyle, like, hairstyle like this, and how to grow your natural hair with DIY stuff. So if you like my content, please don't forget to give your girl some like and subscribe for more video. And I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So, hope to catch you all in my next one. Keep watching. Please don't forget to watch the video to the end and to see how I create this look. Okay? All right. Much love. Bye.